Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google Finance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Finance website and sign into your account. Once logged in, you'll notice an option to create a new portfolio. Click on this option to start setting up your first portfolio. Give your portfolio a name. After naming your portfolio, click Save to create it. With your portfolio created, it's time to add some investments. Look for the Add Investments button. This is where you can start adding stocks, bonds, or other securities you're interested in or already own. In the search field that appears, type the name of the stock or security you want to add. Once you see the correct stock, click on its name to select it. After selecting your investment, enter details such as the quantity of shares you own or plan to purchase. Then, you can also specify the purchase date, which is helpful for historical tracking to see how your investment performs over time. Once all the details are filled out, click Save to officially add the investment to your portfolio. Repeat this process for as many investments as you want to track. Once your investments are added, you can monitor the performance of your entire portfolio or individual stocks in real time. And that's it. So that is how you can use Google Finance. So that's all for this video. Thanks.